Well on people. So we catch a 15-minute demand setup on US30 today. Unfortunately, it was a loss, but let's go over it. Let's do a trade recap on it right now. Let's reset everything like usual. Go back on the 5. Um, Replay. Alright, so let's bring it back a little more. About right there. So in Asia session, that was yesterday, was kind of in a range, as you can see. Up, down, up, down, up, down. I wanted price to break. Well, I wasn't up at that moment, but when price broke, if price broke this high, I was considering buys. Alright, let's play it out a little. Now we're in London session. Price made this low, which is lower than this low, so it broke this low. Yeah, play it out a little more. As you can see, price broke above this high a little bit. So right here. So most likely buys for the day. Alright, so came to the charts about 8 o'clock, but didn't start trading till after 8:30. So the news made this long bullish candle and it tapped into yesterday's 15-minute demand, which was right there. So I marked that out. I was willing to take buys off this demand because, as you can see, we were pretty bullish over the past couple of days and we broke all these structures from previous days. So we got that on the 15, scaled down to the 5, and we entered on the break of structure, which was that. But before that, let's identify the things that we need to check off on our list. So far, we have the clear trend, as you can see. This area right here was the highest point, break above all previous highs. So that's a strong bullish, showing that strong bullish movement, all previous days highs from the past few days. Yeah, fair value gap attached to the zone, that would be over this green candle, so above this to below this other green candle. So all this area we need price to fill. As you can see, price fill it. Let's take those two off. Now the breakup structure, explained that earlier, when the highest point broke above all previous structure. So let me go over that again. This high right here is higher than this high, so it broke above it. And this high is also higher than this high, so it broke above these two high. So that's a good breaker structure. Now we got the break of candle entry on the 5 minute. So enter right here, stop loss little below the lowest candle. Yeah, and we're aiming for 1 to 2. Let's play it out now. Price was moving good, kind of consolidating a little bit, and then we got stopped out. Then it hit TP. So could have won by one candle if this was a candle that strike down. Yeah, so it even went to about 1 to 3, I think, before coming completely down. Yeah, so the past few days I've been winning, so first loss for the week, that's just 1%. So we're not going to let that hold us back. Yeah, so tomorrow again, same discipline and thing. Probably not trading tomorrow, but I'll upload a video.